Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix error code 0xc0000005 in League of Legends. If you're facing error code 0xc0000005 error in League of Legends, make sure that your Windows and your graphics drivers are up to date. To see if your Windows is up to date, go to the search panel of Windows. From here, type Settings, click on the Open button. After that, head to the Windows Update section. From here, if it says up to date, then you're most probably up to date, but it is better that you click on check for update to see if you have missed any update recently, and if any update is available to you, just click on download and install button from here and the update will be installed successfully. And to see if you are using the latest drivers or not, head to the taskbar, then go to the hidden icons. From here, right click on NVIDIA settings and click on NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Now wait for the GeForce Experience to load up. After it loads, go to the driver section. From here you can see if you are using the latest drivers or not. If you're using the latest drivers, it will tell you that you have the latest GeForce Game Ready drivers. If not, an update will be available in here, so you can just download and install it from your GeForce Experience. After you have checked the status of your driver and Windows update, you need to head to the search panel again. From here, type League of Legends, then click on Open File Location. After that, right click on the League of Legends exe shortcut, click on Open File Location again. From here, head back to Riot Games, go to League of Legends, go to the Games folder. From here, right click on the League of Legends exe, go to Properties, go to the Compatibility tab. From here, select Run this program in compatibility mode, disable full screen optimization, and run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and OK. Now go back to the League of Legends folder, scroll down until you find the league client.exe, right click on it, go to Properties, go to the Compatibility tab again, select Run this program in a compatibility mode and run this program as an administrator. Now click on Apply and OK. After doing these steps, go to the search panel again and type Riot Client. Now click on Open. Now wait for the Riot Client to open up properly. After the Riot Client has opened, go to the Profile section from the top right hand side. Go to Settings. Then head to the League of Legends section. Then click on the Repair button. After the repair is done, all your issues should be resolved and you can enjoy League of Legends like before.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.